I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. So I'm on the Aerodrome website, aerodrome.finance. I'm in the liquidity section, liquidity pools. So I'm just going to click on APR and we'll get some good juicy APRs. And I'm going to go for this one, 533% per year. Okay. It's got a decent TVL, $1.5 million. Okay, and it's got Aero and USD BC. So I think that's a decent value. So what I'm going to do is liquidity. I'm going to go for swap first of all. So swap them around. I'm going to get some Aero. Okay. So allow USD BC. Next. Low gas fees. That's good. Approve that. Swap USD BC for Aero. Okay, let's do that. Again, confirm. It's pretty low. Okay, so that's done that. Okay, so that's the first part of the phase. Swap confirm. So I've got half and half, so I can use that in the liquidity pool. That'll be in the next video.